starting English reading. Dearest Connie, I write to you in a much happier frame of mind because something wonderful has just happened and I must about it. Once we were all standing to in our tent steady morning, Christmas morning. It was crisp and quiet all about as a beautiful morning as I have ever seen. As good, cold and frosty as a Christmas morning should be. I should like to be able to tell you that we began it, but the truth I am ashamed to say is the phrase began it first. Someone saw a white flag waving from the trenches opposite. Then they were calling out to us from across Christmas. When he had got over the surprise, some of us should beg same to you, Fred, same to your. I thought that would be that we all did, but suddenly one of them was up there in his great coat and waving white flag. Don't shoot, let someone should float on. Did they? There was another fits upon the paper and another. Keep your head down. I told the man it's a trick, but it was not. One of the garments was waving a bottle above the head. It is Christmas Day, Tommy. We have snapness, we have circus, we meet you. Yes, by this time there were dozens of them walking towards across no mess and not a relief between that little private Morris was the first up. Come on, boys. What are waiting, officer? I should have stopped them there and then I suppose, but the truth is that it never occurred to she. I could all along their line and or ours I could see men walking slowly towards and one another with a course meeting in the middle, and I was one of them. I was part of this in the middle of the where making peace.
I am Tasha Fatima. I read in class 8. I am starting English reading. You cannot imagine, dearest Connie, my feeling has looked into the eyes of the field officer. How happened? He had outsider hands. Wolf, he said, grabbing my hand warmly and holding it. I am from Destroyed. I play the clue and in the other. Happy Christmas. Captain Jim March Rose, I replied, and I have Christmas. Do you? Too. I am a school teacher from Rhodes in the West England. Dorest, he smiled. I know this place. I know very well. We shared my run ration, and I his and we talked pony. Who we talked. He shaped almost perfect English, but it turned out that he never set foot in Taras, never even been of England. He had learned all the England from school and from reading books in English. His favorite write has Tom's Henry. His favorite book from Morning Globe. So out there in no man's land we and gripe oak and suggest. Tory Dorest, he had wife and one son from just 6 months ago. Looked about the there of and grey every all over no man land taking drinking eating hands wolf. Short what was left of your wonderful Christmas. Pony.
Myself Alkakia, I read in class 8. I am studying English reading. This someone I don't know who brought out football goalposts were dumped in piles to man goalpost, and the next thing we knew it was storm against frights out in the middle of no man's land. Wolf and I looked on and cheered, clapping for hands and stepping out our feet to keep out the food and much anything. There was a moment when I noticed beads mingling in the air between us. He said it and smiled. Jim Macpherson, he said after, I think this is how we should resolve this war. Football match, no one dies in a football match, no children's out orphanoids become windows. I don't prefer cricket. I told him then I Tommy could be sure of drinking. Probably we did up together. We watched the game set to say.
I'm in class 8. I'm studying. He is studying. The living to a complete ground of a football. Football is all family to it.